This video was sponsored by the Hang Rope Center. Kodiak Motion Picture Film. It's random lift tour time. Rated G and PG. It's random lift tour time. Firstly, now let's go to the West Edmonton Mall, and entirely it's only for this elevator. Oh dear. So then I want to work with the list filming. I guess this is only for the ones. And there's a beautiful park scene. It's total random of shit. Wait, what? R-rated. Fuck. So then it's only for the rides, and also you have to mount to pick up to the Hyperlast. Now let's show it to the car ride. Send now 4201 to fucking Proxima B. And now, in the Plaza Mayor, it has pony elevator, but he found in the Finland in the year 1910. An entire common in the Scandinavia, Nordic countries, and United Kingdom, and the Great Britain and the Northern Ireland, and the USA, but it's extremely ultra rare, and also in West Edmonton Mall. It's also West Edmonton Mall has pony elevator because it's over for UK Commonwealth after for 1980 about Marriott and Scott. Because of the Marriott and Scott, it was made. Canada is closer to the Nordic countries named Greenland. There is a Greenlandic state. It's also the US on the Department of Denmark. But it don't understand it's also being extremely and ultra common from the West Edmonton Mall. What do you think about West Edmonton Mall? Why? Because it's also being said. Please press pause to answer it. So then I will find the elevator. Now it's only for day. It's pony elevator time.
And now the first elevator in the Plaza Mayor. What the? There he is. Lifting our something new Echo Disc, Kona Echo Disc. Beautiful and there's not ugly. And here is a Kona monospace elevator. Or going down. There you go.
Se cierra la puerta.
One. Door closed. Done.
Planta baja inferior.
Ground, first, minus floor.
Cerramos las puertas.
Or cone elevator. Now let's set the PP.
Se cierran las puertas.
Door closed.
Planta baja.
Ground floor.
Cerramos
Door,
las puertas.
oh, going down. And there's a beautiful double.
And now, we are in Edmonton, so I made a Hyperlast, and also being over a year ago. It was failed attempt, or maybe it's not too good. The first one is one in last year of April. It was only for recording and missed as West Edmonton Mall to full. Secondly, he's only not random lift tours, West Edmonton Mall random lift tours. And now he's only get to the tall building. There's a fewer tall buildings, only for short building. The tallest building, it was so tall and others was shorter. But it's also being start of this. It was only for sunny at the morning at the start, and it's also cloudy and raining. That's not even colder. They're just like the capitals in UK and England, I mean US. This is Canadian Alberta capital. And now it's time to go to the council office. Does it have some? That's confusing. A little scary service area. It was only for this. So this is only for paramilitary, the Capitol building. It was the British one from just like into UK government. And it's also in the West Edmonton Mall has elevator by Coney in 1980s was Marriott and Scott. He found Finland in 1910. So this is the elevator in this building. Now let's ride it. There we go. To the third floor. Why is it not closing? And now let's go to the down. This is elevator. Are they first? This is attempt to be pressed double. No humans are in there. No people. You ready for door closing? Let's go back to the main floor. But that's not mezzanine. And now it's West Edmonton Mall time. now in this elevator in West Edmonton Mall, but there's lots of elevator in Kone. Now it's also being this lift one, but this is number one. There's lots of elevators are Kone. Now let's go to the Simons to what in the elevator, what button or just modernized. This one is the lots of elevators and the lots of Kone elevators. Let's ride in. Alright guys, there is no elevator in Sport Check, but I have this something tricky. But it's only for never say. But we are Canada right now. And now I found some elevators are Kone, but it's only for this like ultra crowded. Let's ride it. Wait a minute, that's not this elevator. But I found this something trickier. And what are you doing like here? Okay, I forgot. Ah, that's the elevator button.
I did.
Doors closed.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Do I make video?
Yeah.
Too?
Ground, first floor. Doors open, going up. But I found it something. This is modernized bit, but say bye bye to monospace button. It's only all flow, but its Kone elevator is founded in Finland since 1910. It was founded in Georgia, and it's Canada. It's a Commonwealth from the UK. It was 1980s. It was took over from Marriott and Scott. And it was only for the Nordic country, Finland. You cannot believe it's only for the safe border country named Greenland. Now, let's ride it again. Where's the fucking car? Well, come on, we're waiting for you.
What are we took so
Why your fucking door? Doors open. Going up.
floor 3? I want to go to floor 3.
Будете проходить или нет? Или по вам, по вашим
Doors
ногам?
closed.
Какой-то толпинка.
I was going to say. Okay, so what's the floor 3?
Second floor.
Артур, duele espalda?
Doors open. Going down. Wait a minute. It's a Kone elevator. That's this Finnish elevator. Rare buttons.
Куда идем? Наверное, сюда?
Yes, duh. This elevator is so rare.
Что здесь буду сюда спасибо?
Kone elevator is elevator. Sweet is Finland. That's Swedish elevator. Third floor. Going up. Doors closed. OMG.
Можешь проклинать, чтобы он ситуация.
These are on the third floor.
Помочь. Потом думаю, ладно, пусть это говорит.
Shut the floor. Going down.
My tale to you. Everything will become crystal clear.
But Kone elevator means that's found in Finland in 1910. But this is elevator are common in Nordic countries, and Oslo that is Kone elevator. But I'm in the
Надо было приезжать раньше, а мы же
I'm in
приезжали
the
раньше.
elevator.
Нужно приезжать за 2 месяца до окончания.
This is
И
British
когда за 2 месяца до
Commonwealth.
окончания вышел новый этот, что нужно с военным учет становиться.
British.
А в Испании
Doors open. Shut the vehicle. Going down.
Сережа, мы в ступоре уже.
Doors closed.
Я даже забыл назвать.
This elevator is also being
Я разнервничалась.
here in 1980s. Yes, this elevator Kone was in Finland 1910. Second floor. No. Doors open. Shut the floor. Going up. So then that is elevator since it's also in 1910 in Finland. But he's also lived in the Canada's Commonwealth to UK. It was 1980. It took over from Marriott and Scott. It was bordered by Greenland, but the Greenland is part of Denmark. So let's go to other elevator. Let's ride it. Go to Series 1.
Я в туалет.
See different animals. Got Jan2 and PC1 too. Right now, quarters and shots.
Ёбаный такой темой.
OT Series 1. Now it's only for the attempt failures. He will go to the WEM Toyota is once way too long. He also fear he has iPhone and later rings he got rages and tantrum.
Уже нажали.
Doors closed.
И ничего не...
Не говори.
Second floor. Doors open, going down. And now it's random time. This is real 3D font text. This is real 3D font text. Yes, this is fantastic. This elevator, this sexy elevator is fucking out of service. This sexy Hudson Bay is fucking closed. But you certainly say, what do you think, motherfucker? It's just a shit. Hudson Bay is now fucking closed. Anyways, this is only for coming soon, this November or December. Now it's only for the Christmas trip. Now it's coming soon. The end. Sorry, I never do that. Dolby Surround 5.1 in selected theaters. Kodiak Motion Picture Film.
Tell my tale to you. Everything will become crystal clear.